Hello my lovelies, it's Eleanor here from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking. In today's I can't believe it's not butter chicken, we have a few steps, but it's pretty easy. So first what we're going to do is just take out the excess moisture from the tofu. So we just put something heavy on it. We make some cashew cream in your high-speed blender. It's very, very simple. Remember, if you don't have a high-speed blender, just soak your nuts in boiling water for about 20 minutes. So blend it for about a minute and you get nice smooth cream. So the tofu's been weighed down for about 20 minutes. You've put your marinade together. Take your tofu apart like it resembles chicken, and then stir it around, pop it in the fridge for 20 minutes or overnight, however long you've got. Now it's time to fry up your tofu. So keep an eye on it, it does get sticky. So just fry it for a couple of minutes and then put it aside. And then we'll make the sauce. So put some more oil in the pan and your onions. Now here are some more spices. Basically they're really the same spices that you used before. Nothing much changes in Indian style cooking. So you put them in, make it so it's not burnt but it looks good. Add your tomatoes, your cashew cream that you whipped up before, and let's just stir it around and just, you know, simmer it for about 10 minutes or so. Add a bit more water like I'm doing here because I think it probably needed a bit more water. And then after about 10 minutes we'll add our tofu and then let that simmer for another 10 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm going to eat this with fried cabbage. I know that everyone loves fried cabbage, don't they? So a bit of salt, and garlic in some hot oil, and then a couple of minutes, you're done. Well, that's I can't believe it's not butter chicken. I'll see you again next week. Remember, it's Eleanor from No Nonsense Vegetarian Cooking. Bye.